Damn, dude, this shit is dope. Marcel finally put on all the wheels, all his tires and everything are good. Damn.
You gotta have a plan. Make sure the tires.
Hey, what's going on over here, guys?
What are you guys up to?
Sanding the hood, right?
A whole lot of sanders.
What's going on, Marcel?
I'm being forced to work.
Alright guys, so last night we went to Torrance, busted a mission, and Leo bought Leo bought this hood that's painted, and it's actually a carbon fiber hood, so sanding it down right now. Yeah. Hey Leo, so what's your plan with this hood?
Can I get some pimp juice? I'm gonna run it how it is, like the raw carbon. I'm gonna clear it, coat it, of course, but run it like that for a bit, see how that goes. If I like it, keep it. But I do want to mold the Battlecraft style of hood vent on this and paint match it.
Oh, that'd be sick, dude. That'd be hella sick. So for right now, just the carbon fiber look?
Yeah, for now.
It's gonna be clean still.
See how long that lasts.
Either way, it's gonna be clean. Hey bro, can you spray me some water over here? Hey yo, Jesse, can you spray me some water? Hey yo. Hey Jesse. What the fuck? Hey bro, you good? Hey,
Yeah.
Can you spray me some water?
Can you say please? Can you fucking say please?
Bro, are you being serious right now?
Yeah, I'm fucking being serious.
Bro, why you guys always bitching and shit?
Dude, like just give me some fucking water, bro. It's not a big deal.
Wait,
Say please.
are you serious right now?
Bro, just give me some fucking water, bro.
No. I don't know what Andy's problem is. I just wanted him to say please. You know, he's like, lately he hasn't been saying please. I always use my manners. I always say please and thank you. I totally don't understand why he just couldn't say please.
Hey Leo, can I get some water, bro?
Oh, you want water?
Yeah, just like right here, bro. See, bro, that's how you give water to someone when they ask, bro.
You can't just say please.
Hey, shh.
Oh.
Honestly, man, I don't know what the fuck's going on between those two. I'm over here minding my business, and then Andy always he asked him, bro. He asked him like nicely. It wasn't even like a dick or anything. He was just like, "Hey, bro, can you spray some water?" And Jesse was just ignoring him and shit. Every day, bro, I be going through this shit. I don't get it. Like, man, fuck this, man.
I don't know, man. These guys are something else. I just called them out because I needed some help, and yeah, these guys just fucking yip-yat and all kinds of fucking bullshit.
Creative and cooperative member of the human race.
Hey Marcelo, so you still down to Jesse, what the fuck, bro? I told you don't fucking touch the camera, bro. You serious?
I was just trying to help.
Bro, God, bro. Get out of here, bro. I don't want to.
I was just trying to help. Always, what the fuck, Jesse? What the fuck, Jesse? Fuck Jesse. I hate Jesse.
Nah, cold start though.
Ever seen a reverse donut or reverse burnout?
Alright, what is up guys? Hope you guys are doing good. Sorry for the lack of videos. It's been raining and shit. But back with the boy, Leo. What you about to do? Why you have the Civic out?
Some thumpity thump-thumps.
About to make that shit bump?
Yeah.
So Leo is about to throw his sub in here, so he bought wire and all that shit. He's about to make this thing bump. If we have time later, we're gonna finish wet sanding the rest of this paint off. See some carbon fiber. So yeah, there's a meet that we might be going to this weekend, so yeah, it'd be nice to get all this carbon fiber shown, make it look nice. And then I'm looking for flywheels right now that are local because I just need a flywheel and hopefully it's in good condition. And then we could slap in the clutch and then we can honestly connect the trans to the long block. So if I can find a flywheel very soon, then hopefully we can start putting the motor together. Oh, you're gonna be bumping. Damn. Hey, your trunk gonna be rattling? Or what about your license plate?
Oh, fuck. That should barely fits in here. Oh, fuck.
Oh, you chilling? Okay. How's the bumping going on?
I'm thumping my head against this fucking cord.
Oh, I see you doing a nice little wire tuck. Alright guys, so I found a flywheel for sale locally and I'm gonna go pick it up for a good price. So I'm just waiting on the guy to hit me up and then we'll be able to start putting stuff together. And this guy is almost done with his little install here. Hey, are you sure the license plate is not gonna be rattling? You bolted it down, right?
Yeah, I did.
Torqued it down a spec?
Yeah.
Alright, because if that shit rattles, bro, it's over, bro.
We're good.
Alright, for sure. My boy took out the dab torch. Got back, I went to go buy the flywheel and then I dropped it off to get it resurfaced, so I'm gonna get it back tomorrow. So now I just need bell housing bolts and then like bolts for I need a bolt for the starter. And then what else? I don't know, but I need bolts and then that's it. Yeah, that's it, to drop it in.
Oh, then bolts for the motor mount, the ones that go through the mounts.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Unless it came with them.
Yeah, I don't know, we're gonna have to check. I just need bolts. I already know the thread pitch. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the flywheel tomorrow. And then Thursday, what are you doing Thursday, Leo, besides
Going to your house, working on your uncle's car?
It was funny. These guys, my uncle and Leo negotiated like a deal, and Leo's gonna fix something on my uncle's car, and I didn't even know until today.
Yep.
So I'm gonna see him Thursday regardless. So Thursday, you down to put this motor finally together?
Yeah, I'm down.
Woo! So yeah, Thursday, the motor is finally gonna be put together, and who knows, might drop it in. So after Leo's done finishing this up, we're gonna take this bad boy, bumping of course, to the store, go buy some more sandpaper,
You just got to.
finish this bad boy up. Dude, you gotta play like a banger for the first song, dude. Like the most ultimate banging song with the hardest bass you could think of.
Alright.
Hell yeah. If your license plate isn't rattling, bro, you're not bumping hard enough. I heard it.
I heard it.
I need a banger, Leo.
I don't know what song.
It'll come to you. I believe in you. Just.
Shitty ass amp.
Oh, that shit ain't rattling, bro.
What to say? I'ma just go back and roll up.
What we got?
You just got off?
No, I was about to pull it up and check my fluids because I'm bored.
Okay.
I'll check your fluids.
Hey, pull up if you need an oil change. Let me know.
Are you serious?
No, I'm not.
Alright guys, so we're both going in on the hood right now. Leo went first, and I went at it. And then Leo was like, "Hey, isn't your old lip in your Civic? Let me see how it looks." So he went and grabbed it. Honestly, bro, just leave it that color.
That color just blue?
Yeah, I think it looks. Honestly, just leave the hood like that, and then leave the lip blue.
All the dust too, right?
Yeah, just leave it, dude. All the dust, everything. It looks good. Honestly though, it fits pretty good. Even though for being a rep, oh no, I really like this style lip. The charge speed. If I could afford the real one, I would. The charge speed.
I found the real one.
How much is the real one?
I think it was used. The guy wanted like $350 or best offer.
Used 350.
And it was fiberglass.
Yeah, I think I bought this one like or maybe like 110. Maybe like 80 around there. Oh, and I like this lip though. It's lasted me a long ass time. Well, what are you thinking?
It's either this or an OEM. If I could find an OEM one, SI.
Those are pretty expensive too, though, huh?
No, it's not too bad.
Decisions.
I do have my rear optional lip.
Where's that one now? I don't think I've seen it.
Oh, let me grab it.
Got the rear lip.
This is OEM.
OEM SI blue. Electron blue. Pearl.
No, it is OEM lip though.
Damn. OEM.
Yep.
Yeah, this ain't no cheap polyurethane. When you gonna paint that one or throw it on?
When I get my front lip.
Also, that's what you're debating if you want this one. Guys, comment down below if you fuck with the lip, and if you fuck with this video, give it a big thumbs up.
OEM or charge speed?
OEM or charge speed. So for my Honda guys out there, if you know what the OEM one looks like, so yeah, either OEM or this one, guys. Comment down below.
Cause I'm gonna put that my battlecraft hood. I'm gonna mold it onto this. So I just want to clear cut this and see how it is for now.
Come on, guys. Hey Brian, I could have seen you at work earlier.
Andy, shut the fuck up.
You invite him?
I thought you invited him.
Oh.
Bro, turn the camera on.
Alright, turn off the camera, bro. Like, can you tell me why you're being like that, bro? Like, honestly, like.
Honestly, bro, I've had it up to the fucking top with your bullshit. Like, fuck broke boys, dude. Like, who the fuck does orange beanies? That shit's fucking ugly.
Dude, you said it was cool.
I'm out of here, bro.
Well, get the fuck out of here then, bro. Don't come back. Get the fuck out of here. Alright, guys, so we didn't get you finished sanding the hood. It's a lot of work, but it's almost there. And then clear coat it, and then this should look really good. Should be like brought back to life. You can see the carbon fiber. Just needs a little clear coat. I'll be shiny. Yeah, and I went a little too hard right here. Can't pick it up, but it's waves. Sorry, Leo. I love you. What?
Hard in the mud.
Alright, guys, so we're about to meet up with. Oh, why is this so blurry? Hold on.
Hold up. Pocket, put in reverse.
Alright, guys, so we're about to head over to Sonic because this guy's hungry. I'm just going to tag along. Same with Leo. Leo's taking a shit. But, guys, I haven't showed you guys any merch on the channel, but there's literally like only a few of these left. I'm gonna make these in black, broke boys in old English, pretty clean start to end. And then I haven't released these yet, but these are just basic long sleeves with the logo from the hats just right here, really clean. If you guys dig these, let me know down in the comments. But these are available right now. They're gonna be available in black pretty soon. So yeah, guys, go check it out, link down below.
Use promo code JZ300 to get you 10% off.
Don't do that.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's the next day, so this is the flywheel I was talking about. I just dropped it off to get resurfaced. Looks so much better than yesterday, but yeah, so I just picked up the flywheel. So now the flywheel's ready to go. Now I just need bolts, and then Thursday we can, I think we're gonna throw in the motor Thursday, so that's all I need, just bolts, like the bell housing bolts, bolt for the starter, stuff like that. And that's it, guys. I'm so hyped. So I also went to pick up a valve cover gasket right now from Honda, the Stealership. But yeah, for my valve cover gasket, it's leaking, so I'm probably gonna replace this Thursday as well. So yep. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's like a quick vlog, but Thursday is gonna be lit. I just need bolts, and when we throwing in the K24 with the 6-speed from the R6 Type S into the Civic, and I'm so excited. Like, whoo, it's finally gonna be in there, and that's gonna be just motivation just to get everything else going. So hope you guys enjoyed the quick vid. Again, if you guys want any merch, head to the link down in the description box, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Later, y'all.